Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as you read by the title, it is my daughter Paislee'S 4th birthday party. She will be turning 4 this coming Wednesday, and I only had a little bit of decorating to do before the party. The only problem was I started decorating about an hour before the party, so that added a little bit of stress, but everything turned out wonderful. The theme of her party was Frozen 2, which is her favorite movie, and of course she loves Elsa and Anna everything. So I started out by hanging up these tassels in between our living room and kitchen. We didn't have as many people over for her party because there were a few people that were sick, so we just wanted to be safe about it. And I wanted to say sorry for the terrible lighting in the first couple minutes of this video. I was in such a hurry at this point, and I wasn't really checking to see how the quality was, so just bear with me. So last year I did a little interview with Paislee'S on my channel when she turned 3, where I asked her questions about her favorite things, but I did not do that this year, so I just wanted to name a few things that she loves so that we could watch this years down the road and just remember all of the wonderful things about her when she was 4. Her favorite colors are purple and pink. Her favorite movie is Frozen 2 at the moment, and she loves Anna and Elsa, but also loves all of the other princesses. She loves playing with makeup, Barbies, loves playing dress up, loves all of her 864 baby dolls and feeding them and changing them. She loves playing the game Slither.io. She loves playing with friends. She is currently obsessed with Mommy and has been for a while. She watches my every move, has to know where I am at all times, and follows me everywhere. She loves spending time with her brother Landon, including pestering him a good portion of the time. She is very sassy and bossy and extremely independent, which I'm not used to at all because my son Landon is the complete opposite. She wants to do everything on her own and doesn't want any help. She is also at the age where she likes to pick out her own outfits and puts up a fight every time we go to get her dressed because it's always what she wants to wear. She loves spending time with family. She loves going over to her Grammy and Papa's house to play with her toys that we have over there for her and coloring and doing Play-Doh with Grammy. She also loves going to her Bebop and Gigi's house to ride tractors and take rides on the golf cart and also to see their dog Izzy. She also loves going to visit at Grandma's house to see her as well. She is such a sweet girl though, and we are so proud of her. I gotta see you. Step back for a second so I can see your dress and stuff. Let me see ya. Pretty. Turn around so I can see the back. Beautiful. Looks so pretty. Are you gonna be 4?
Yes.
Yep.
Be 4 years old.
4 years old on Wednesday.
Wait, I'm gonna open my presents later.
Yeah, when everybody gets here, we're gonna open your presents.
And Bebop and Gigi gonna come. And not Izzy. Izzy can't come. She's too tired.
Yeah.
She's needing to go sleep.
Yeah, she's tired.
Dolly can't come to my birthday because he's gonna eat my cake and eat my cookies.
Yeah.
And he's gonna eat my presents. I mean, these are my birthday presents.
Okay, let's go look at them and see what you have so far. Oh yeah, that's what you got so far?
Yeah, who got these?
Those are from Grandma over there.
And
then
who got
Liv and
this?
Lauren, that's from Mommy and Daddy. And then you got a big one hidden.
Who got this?
And then those are from Grammy and Papaw. And then
got
everybody
this
else,
one?
Grandma. And everybody else will bring their
Who
gifts.
got this one?
Grandma,
Who got this?
Liv and Lauren.
Who got this?
Grammy and Papaw.
And who got that?
Grammy and Papaw.
Oh.
This one? Okay. Who's this from? Oh, it's from you, Jess, isn't it? Okay.
I don't see Paisley's face though. It's like she needs to
here.
trade places.
Here, you come this way. So, Grammy she is the birthday.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Yeah. This is from Jess and Adam, okay? Open it up.
Jess and Adam. Hey, so you know who Adam is?
Huh? You want me to?
Who's Adam?
Let's see what's in here. Oh my goodness.
Cool.
Look at
You
that.
gotta tell her thank you.
You'll love that.
It's Jess and Adam right here. Look. Hey, tell her
Cute.
thank
A
you.
little soccer ball and stuff.
friend.
And another little Barbie.
Man.
You say thank you?
I have one here.
You're welcome.
Just Stace and John.
Oh, Station John. Okay, yeah. Some Uncle John. Oh, some more Johnnies. Look in here. Oh, those are cute. Some more John. Oh, and a jacket. That's cute.
Okay. Doesn't care about the clothes.
That's
Next.
from Grammy and Papaw. What's that? What is that? Little necklaces. Hold on, you gotta open them together. Hold on. This is from Grammy and Papaw too. Hold on.
Like G.I. Joe.
What's that?
Oh, you got some Barbie stuff.
This is from Liv and Lauren.
Yep.
Mommy, where's Liv and Lauren?
They're sick. Yeah, they're not feeling good. There. Little wonder. Oh, see what else is in there? Oh, wow. Let's see what's in there. Hold on. Hold on, you gotta see what's in there. What's in there? Oh my goodness. Got you some makeup.
What is it?
That's part for me and Daddy.
She'll get it all this when everybody's gone.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Get into all this.
Oh yeah.
There's about to be a snowstorm in here in a minute.
Snow, is it cold or sweat? Jess, if you want to just flip that little switch right there, to the left. Yeah. What is it?
It's so hot.
What is it? What is it, Pace? A Barbie?
Isn't that a Barbie?
Cool.
Grocery store? That's from Mama.
Oh.
This is from you, Mom.
Mama and Grandma. That. Frozen Legos. You say thank you, Mama?
Maybe.
You say thank you to the last person? I don't remember who it was.
She just keeps nodding.
Put your kids' stick or something.
What is that?
Oh my goodness.
Where is Eva?
Hey, hold on. Hold on. Want me to tell Mama thank you?
Hello.
Is that from you guys? It's from Gigi and Bebop.
is that? Okay. Look, good. Let's look at your card.
She'll like it all later.
Oh yeah, she will. Daisy, look. Look. There's a blow dryer in there.
Oh,
Cool.
Oh, Paige, you got the blow dry.
You get to blow dry Isabella's hair now.
You did?
What is it?
Oh shoot.
Oh, I think it's different. Isn't it different? Oh, it's the same.
Yeah, that's
She doesn't even look at stuff. She just
Oh, I know.
opens.
On to the next.
What is it, Paige? What is that?
And that's from that grandma here. You got two grandmas in the house. Have some fun. Oh, I'm sorry. It's okay. I was looking at the box and went,
Oh, there you go.
What's
Sparkle magic.
that? Look at that.
Fun.
Say thank you. That's fun.
Oh,
where?
Oh, look at that card. That card's amazing. You didn't even look at there.
Oh,
Paige,
Card.
Paige, look at your card. That card's awesome. No, the card. Your card.
It's got all the princesses on it. She's looking at
Paige, it's right there, baby. That's your feet. It's on your feet. On your feet, right there. There it is. Look at that. Look at that card.
there that has princesses on it.
Did you see that? Did she see that? And there it is.
Not yet. Look.
Oh, that is.
I
The
want
castle
to see.
inside is from Rael and Jen.
Can I see?
Paige, here's what's in the box.
Look what's in the box. Ooh, this is fun.
We got from Gigi.
Oh, it's a.
That is good. Is that electric scooter?
Oh, and then
Is that electric?
Uh-huh.
Nice.
No, it's not. It's a push scooter.
Oh, it's put,
But
okay.
the lights light up.
That's awesome.
I want that. I want that.
Are you gonna sing the card?
And no, do you like this?
Paige,
Do
you
we
got
have
one
two
more.
microphones?
Paige, you got one more. Paige, you got one more gift.
This one does not want.
Paige,
Does it look cool?
you got one more gift over there.
Oh, to open that front.
It's right here. No, right here. Here you go, Paige. What is that?
Oh, cool.
Is that your makeup table?
Oh,
Your vanity?
looky there.
I want.
And you got your stool there too.
There's the baby.
Where's the baby?
That one.
Is that where your makeup goes?
You got lots of stuff, don't you? You got all kinds of stuff, Paige. Mercy sake. Your baby there too.
She likes that baby. When we get the baby out, she likes the baby, you know.
okay. This is from Lexi. She made you a card. Want to see? You want to open it later? Okay.
I want to see the vanity. Beautiful.
Jen,
We'll
open
sit
it
up there.
Jen, I'll have her open.
Oh,
Now you do your makeup. Look at you.
There you go.
Aww.
What do you think? Is that cool?
You'll have to do Bebop's hair there, you know that. Fix Bebop's hair. Put my lipstick on. I need lipstick, won't I?
Look at this. Randy, singing happy birthday.
Come here, guys.
Yeah.
All right, next time we sing happy. We're not singing happy birthday next year for you.
Okay, we gotta go fast because it's gonna get
okay, here we go. I'm going to start it. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Paisley. Happy birthday to you.
Blow them out.
Come on, Paige.
Blow them out.
She's so embarrassed.
It's good.
No, queen of all everything in life. Not today.
Hey.
Run. Start taking her.
Now will you give me a hug? Oh, did you get brushes? Wait, you're taller. No, you're taller. Look, you got some lip gloss. That's what he's on his tippy toes. He was on his tippy toes. Yeah, he was on his tippy toes. Well, I was going like this. Is that
Get your mind.
Oh, I know.
That's Pace.
She's in there playing with her toys.
Pace, you don't want no mint chocolate?
You guys eating your cake?